Good morning, guys! Today in science, we're gonna keep learning about states of matter. And specifically, we're going to talk about changing states. So let's take a look. I'm gonna make my face smaller. Well, we already know there are 3 states of matter: solid, liquid, and gas. Let's make a review. In solids, the particles are closely packed together. They vibrate but cannot move around. Solids keep their own shape. And liquids, the particles are less closely packed together and they move around. Liquids can change their shape. They often take the shape of the container they are put in, like when you put water in a glass. But in gases, the particles can move around freely in all directions, and gases can change their shape and spread out. But you already know all of this information. So let's talk about heating and cooling. Heating and cooling can make materials change from one state to another. Heating can change a solid into a liquid. Look at the video. This process is called melting or melt, changing from solid to liquid using heat or changing the temperature. And that's what we did last week with our ice blocks experiment. Heating can also change a liquid into a gas. Look at this example. Here is some water boiling. Look at those little bubbles. This process from changing a liquid into a gas is called evaporation. Here the water is evaporating. Can you see the vapor? Cooling can change a liquid into a solid. This process is called freezing. The water freezes into a solid. Again, we're changing temperature. Cooling can change a gas into a liquid. This is a very interesting process, and it's called condensation. The water is condensing here. Can you see these little droplets? That happens when a gas cools down and turns into a liquid again. So, a quick review: solids melt into liquids, liquids evaporate into gases, liquids freeze into solids, and gases condense into liquids. Please look at these words carefully because today we're going to be working with them.